Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Adobe Reader security settings, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Reader on your computer. Click on the Edit menu located at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for Security in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Security to access security settings. Check the Enable Protected Mode at Startup option. If you need to modify permissions, click on More. Review the available options for security settings. Adjust the settings based on your requirements. To manage trusted documents, click on Trusted Documents in the sidebar. Add or remove documents as necessary. Next, go to JavaScript in the left sidebar. Make sure to check or uncheck Enable Acrobat JavaScript depending on your needs. Click OK to save your changes. Close the Preferences window. Restart Adobe Reader to apply the new security settings. Test the settings by opening a PDF file and checking for any prompt messages. If you encounter issues, review your security settings again. Consider consulting Adobe Help resources for advanced troubleshooting. Your Adobe Reader security settings should now be fixed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.